What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Also, shout out to anybody that is new to the channel, and while you are here, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. And today, look at this. Look at this package. Pause. Concept delivered a special package, and all this is part of the package. Got a custom shipping box here, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Come on. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box up, and look at this. Look at this dang on packaging, bruh. We got a dang on oven with flames on here, and it got the size circled on the side right there. And let's see, got Nike SB on the knobs on the front, and then you got the flames and all of that. On the back of the box, it says concepts. Usually I don't really go this in depth, but this is a special package, so we gonna take a little time today. So let's go ahead and open this up, and on the top it comes with a Nerf turkey leg football right here. I think these spots are open. I don't think there's nothing in there. So got a little turkey leg football, and it comes with I guess this is like a spreadsheet. Got the turkey on there with concepts, and here we have the box. And let's go ahead and put this box back here. You guys see that? Turn it around like that. Boom. There we go. Alright, so we have a multicolored Nike SB box, and as you guys know, this is what all the new SBs are coming in. It's coming in this box or the purple box, but we have the multicolored box, and let's get right into it, man. So we got a pair of socks, and I think these are chickens. I think these are chicken socks, but yeah, Nike SB dry fit socks. I'm not sure if I'll wear them, but that was just a dope add-on. We got a pair of laces. This is the cranberry color. And let's take a look at the shoe. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk High Turdunken. So before we get any further into the video, I just want to ask you guys a quick question. Have you guys ever heard of Turdunken? Like, I know that, granted, this is the name of the shoe, but do you know what Turdunken is? Have you ever heard of it until the shoe? Did you know prior to that? Because I'm not gonna lie, me personally, I had no idea what it was. I just assumed that Turdunken was a play on turkey and dunk. But lo and behold, Turdunken is an actual dish. I guess it's a popular Thanksgiving dish. Where I'm from, it's not really that popular. So maybe this is like a down south thing, but basically what Turdunken is you got a turkey, right? And you take chicken, you wrap it around a duck, and you shove it up the turkey. I know it sounds random and wild, but I'm dead serious. You can Google it right now. People out here shoving meats inside of meats and eating it. That's weird. Anyways, but I'm just curious. If you guys have ever heard of it, let me know. Maybe I'm just out of the loop, but I'll admit this is my first time hearing of it. Like I said, this is, I don't know, maybe it's a down south thing. Nonetheless, here we have the Turdunken SBs. This is inspired by the Turdunken dish, and also based on Friendsgiving, as you know, celebrating Thanksgiving with friends. But as you see, we got a lot going on with the shoe. Got a whole bunch of different materials going on here. And the first thing that kind of sticks out is this iridescent swoosh right here. And also, you got iridescent hits on the tongue. And basically what that is mimicking is the male mallard, which is a duck, right? And so basically The female duck is mainly all brown, but the male duck is the one that has like the green head. So that's what is inspired by the tongue and also on the swoosh. And then also, if you look on the back of the shoe, we got some suede right here, which is mimicking the duck down, and we got some fuzzy suede on the lower part of the heel. Then on the side panel, this is pretty interesting. We got leather that is kind of cut up to look like the textures of feathers. Then on the toe box, we have this light brown hit of suede, and also on the trim of the toe box, moving up onto the lace holes, this is I'm not quite sure what material this is, to be honest. It kind of feel and look like this old apartment carpet, like some carpet you would see in the 80s or something. It is soft, but I'm just not quite sure. Can't really tell you exactly what this is. But moving on to the midsole and the outsole, we got this pinkish type of color, which is mimicking the legs and the foot of a duck. On the insole of the shoe and also on the inner collar lining, we have this kind of toil print right here. We got a few little ducks, and I think there's a lobster up in there, probably hinting towards the Concept Lobster SB. Let me see if I can pull this out. And so here's the insole. You got a duck on here, and also I think that's it looks like a pair of SBs hanging off of a tree, and you got concepts written on there in script. So nice little extra details. And I think that print is also on the inner lining of the collar as well. On the back of the tongue, you got concepts right there. And the shoes do come with the brown gravy laces and also another pair of the yellow butter laces. Crazy thing is, these shoes, the special packaging is going for about the same price as the shoes alone. And so these do drop on the sneakers app on the 21st, but these did drop a couple days early on Concepts. So if you do want this shoe, you still have a chance to get it, you know, just like this in the box. Not gonna have the special packaging and all that, but I mean, this is still a good shoe to have without, you know, the packaging. So in conclusion, my final opinion on this shoe is, for one, Concepts did a great job, as always, you know, with their storytelling and with their presentation, with the packaging. They're always on point with it, especially in the past, you know, with their lobster series, the Holy Grail SBs, and also one of my other favorites, the Ugly Christmas Sweater SBs. And now we have another holiday themed SB that we can pull out around Thanksgiving. So this shoe resonates with me mainly because I share my birthday with Thanksgiving week. So sometimes my birthday falls on Thanksgiving, sometimes it's the day before, and sometimes it's the day after, like it is this year. So this shoe is gonna just remind me, you know, of Thanksgiving. And I'm a big advocate for the holiday because a lot of times people go straight from Halloween to Christmas. For me, I've always loved Thanksgiving and, you know, just celebrating, being thankful for what you have. And, you know, this shoe kind of reminds me of that. Definitely a shoe that will stand out and will be something different. And this shoe, I think for now, this shoe deserves to stay in the collection, especially since this is my first special package that I hit on. But what do you guys think about the shoe? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. And with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.